On your smartphone, open the Snapchat app and log into the account, which account you want to deactivate. Now tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and find out Delete Account option. If you don't see the Delete Account under Settings, you can use these search options to find out Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account. And now it will ask you to log into your Snapchat account again. So go ahead and just log into the Snapchat account once more time. And you directly jump into Snapchat account deletion page. So here we can see your account will be deactivated, which means friends will not be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chats you have saved and any snaps and chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you'd like to reactivate your Snapchat account before that happens, just log into your Snapchat account to reactivate. Now all you have to need, enter here your Snapchat account username and your account password, tap on continue, and your Snapchat account will be temporarily deactivated for 30 days. So before 30 days, you must need to reactivate your account by logging back to your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching.